Hi. Okay. Now let's learn the second structure. Okay. See the second structure. What is the structure? I plan to. The second structure is I plan to. I plan to plus V1. I plan to plus V1. Let's see what is the structure. How we can use this structure. This structure is used to express something that you would like to do in the near future. This is structure. This structure is used to express that you would like to do in the near future. Means that you are planning to do something else in the near future. Okay. The thing which you want to do in the near future, it can be expressed with this structure. What is the structure? I plan to. I plan to. Okay. Now let's see examples. Examples. I plan to. After I plan to, what should we use? We have to use V1. Okay. I plan to learn a new language. I plan to learn a new language. I plan to start a new business. Here. I plan to travel to Europe. I plan to travel to Europe. I plan to read. I plan to learn SAP, FICO. I plan to learn SAP, FICO. I plan to save enough money. I plan to save money for my further needs. For my further needs. I plan to take a cooking class. I plan to take a cooking class to learn new recipes. Next, I plan to plant a. I plan to plant some plants. I want to plant. I want to plant some plants. Okay. I want to learn how to play. I want to learn how to play guitar. I want to take up photography. I want to means I plan to take up photography as my hobby. I plan to adopt a pet. I plan to adopt a pet. Just a minute. Okay. I plan to adopt a pet. I plan to write a novel. I plan to write a novel. I plan to start a new business. I plan to start investing. I plan to start investing market. I plan to take trip to the I plan to take trip to America, USA. I plan to organize a fundraise program. I plan to organize fundraise program. I plan to learn how to code. I plan to learn how to code. I plan to start a new course. I plan to learn how to dance. I plan to next. I plan to visit all the states in India. I plan to learn yoga. I plan to learn yoga. I plan to write children books. I plan to write children books. I plan to start uh, I plan to take a I plan to participate. I plan to participate in games. I plan to paint. I plan to paint some beautiful pictures. Next, I plan to start. I plan to start a social media campaign. And to start a social media campaign. I plan to take a fashion design class. I plan to take a fashion design course. Thank you. Let's meet in next structure.